Introduction. Welcome to Studio Wizardry. In today's video, we're diving into the art of recording drums. Drums are a fundamental element in many musical genres, providing the rhythm and drive that energize a track. Properly recording drums can be challenging due to the complexity of the drum kit and the acoustics involved. However, with the right techniques and equipment, you can achieve professional-sounding results even in a home studio. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about recording drums, from setting up your drum kit to microphone techniques and mixing tips. Understanding the drum kit. A typical drum kit includes several components: the kick drum, snare drum, toms, both rack and floor, hi-hat, and cymbals such as crash and ride. Each part of the drum kit plays a unique role in the overall sound. The kick drum provides the low-end thump, the snare offers a sharp, cutting sound, and the toms add texture and fill. The hi-hat and cymbals contribute to the rhythmic and dynamic elements of the performance. Tuning is crucial for achieving the best sound from your drum kit. Proper tuning ensures that each drum resonates correctly and blends well with the others. A well-tuned drum kit will produce a more balanced and pleasing sound, making it easier to capture in your recordings. Spend time adjusting the tension of the drum heads and tuning each drum to the desired pitch. Microphone selection. Selecting the right microphones is essential for capturing the various elements of your drum kit. Different microphones are suited for different parts of the kit. For the kick drum, dynamic microphones like the AKG D112 or Shure Beta 52 are popular choices. These microphones are designed to handle low frequencies and high sound pressure levels, making them ideal for capturing the punchy, resonant sound of the kick drum. The snare drum is often recorded with dynamic microphones such as the Shure SM57. This microphone excels at capturing the crisp, sharp attack of the snare and is a staple in drum recording setups. When it comes to toms, you can use dynamic microphones similar to those used for the snare, such as the SM57. Some engineers prefer dedicated tom microphones for their ability to capture the full range of tones from the toms. Overhead microphones are used to capture the overall sound of the drum kit, including the cymbals and the ambient sound of the room. Condenser microphones like the Audio-Technica AT2020 or Rode NT1A are commonly used for overheads. They are sensitive and capable of capturing a wide range of frequencies, making them suitable for capturing the detailed sound of the entire kit. Microphone placement. Proper microphone placement is crucial for achieving the best sound from your drum recordings. Each microphone should be positioned to capture the unique characteristics of the drum it is meant to record. For the kick drum, you can place the microphone inside the drum, close to the beater for a more focused sound, or just outside the drum for a more rounded tone. Experiment with distance and angle to find the best sound for your track. The snare drum microphone should be placed slightly off-axis from the center of the drum head to avoid distortion from rim shots. Position the microphone to capture both the top and bottom of the snare for a full, balanced sound. For toms, position the microphone a few inches above the drum head, aiming towards the center. Adjust the angle to capture the desired amount of attack and resonance from the toms. Overhead microphones can be set up using different techniques. The spaced pair technique involves placing two microphones apart to capture a wide stereo image, while the X-Y technique uses two microphones positioned close together for a more focused sound. Choose the technique that best suits the sound you want to achieve. Recording techniques. Gain staging is a crucial aspect of recording drums. Proper gain levels help avoid distortion and ensure a clean recording. Set your preamp levels so that they peak around 6 decibels to 3 decibels to allow headroom for mixing. Monitor your levels closely and adjust as necessary to maintain a clean signal. When recording, use headphones for monitoring to ensure you can hear the drum performance clearly. Isolation headphones can help reduce bleed from other instruments into the drum microphones. Phase issues can arise when microphones are placed at different distances from the sound source, causing certain frequencies to cancel out. Check for phase alignment by listening to the combined drum tracks and adjusting microphone positions as needed. Use phase alignment tools if necessary to correct any issues. Cymbal bleed is another common challenge. To minimize bleed, use overhead mics with good rejection patterns and position them carefully to avoid capturing excessive cymbal sound. Techniques such as using isolation shields or adjusting mic placement can help manage bleed. Post-recording tips: once you've recorded your drum tracks, the next step is editing. Clean up the recordings by trimming any extraneous noise or unwanted hits. Use software tools to tighten up the performance and balance levels between the different drum elements. When mixing drum tracks, focus on balancing the levels of the kick, snare, toms, and cymbals. Apply EQ to enhance the overall sound and use compression to control dynamics and add punch to the drums. Organize and save your session files in a structured manner. Regularly back up your work to prevent data loss, using external hard drives or cloud storage solutions to keep your files secure. Conclusion: recording drums requires careful attention to detail and a good understanding of your equipment and techniques. By properly tuning your drums, selecting the right microphones, and experimenting with microphone placement, you can capture a high-quality drum sound. Don't forget to focus on gain staging, phase alignment, and managing bleed during recording. Afterward, use editing and mixing techniques to polish your tracks and achieve the best possible sound. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Studio Wizardry. Leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.